welcome to the channel. Okay, guys, yes, it is the same day. Let me be honest right in the intro of this video. If this is your first time coming by way of my face, you decided to share a little of your time with me, I thank you in advance. Okay, so let's jump into it. If you saw that thumbnail, then maybe you want to talk about all of these bags. Guys, I am without a doubt realizing this about this particular brand. I have had quite a few videos, quite a few things to say, but right now, in this time, in this space of life, let me tell you something. I'm gonna stop putting my stop putting my mouth on Juicy Couture. Okay? You know why? You know what that means? I ain't got nothing else to say about Juicy Couture, because when I say I'm gonna stop, I'm gonna do this, I'm gonna do that, baby, they come out with all of these little things that I undoubtedly I want to be a part of. So if you saw my short, guys, then you may be in the know of this situation right here. Okay, I had to do, she is fully deserving of a video of her own. Okay, because when I was in the car and I did that little short, please believe me when I tell you, you did not get the full throttle of this bag. Now this bag is this, what do they call this color again, guys? This is that powder blush. Okay, she is so stinking cute. When I say this is a luxury a $2,000 bag, okay. And I know somebody might be in the comments like, no, it's not. We know, literally it's not. But guys, I stood in line. I said this in my short. I stood in line for an hour and a half. I've never done that until the big C. But I stood in that line for an hour and a half for this beautiful bag, right? And you know, I don't really like these little somewhat janky straps. When I came here to YouTube, I was telling everybody, cut them off. Okay, so now everybody knows to cut these straps off when you don't like them. But guys, this bag is so stinking cute. Your girl being me, I might not do anything to it, honey. I might just leave it. I might leave well enough alone, okay? Because this bag is so stinking adorable to me. It is something with this this stitched in juicy and the actual color. It is just giving everything that I personally, guys, that I want to receive for all my girly girls and for all of my gents that like a bag. Anybody, everybody, baby, the little ones, the big ones, the whomever ones. This right here, she's a vibe. But guys, I also ran across this other bag. Now, if you saw I have a what's in my bag of the powdered pink Juicy Couture bag, right? It's a little taller, but baby, hey, when I tell you, I ran across this bag. And see, I've been holding some bags back, guys. I was like, okay, I'm gonna just do a what's in my bag of that girl, because I know all of my subscribers, you guys be wanting to see them what's in my bags. But baby, she being me, I got videos to make for days. Because why? When I'm getting the things, okay, and remember, if you don't remember nothing at all, you don't remember anything else at all, I am only trying to go after what really is calling me, that I really love. And baby, she had me in line, okay? Baby, I snatched up this girl. Do you see this girl in your screen? This is a smaller version of that big bag. And let me be the first one to tell you, I literally carried the other big bag. I don't know what we calling it, but you see this? She is giving all of the things. She is beautiful. I put, you see that on the side? Okay, you know that this didn't come with it, but come on, baby, for my shades. If you guys do not know, if you did not see my what's in my bag of my Demi Ebene BB Speedy, that's a 20. Go check that out. Go check that out, because guys, this is having my shade case or my glasses case, whatever name title you want to give it. It is an entire vibe for me personally. So I did put this on this bag. Let me be transparent, baby. We don't even have nothing in it. I was like, okay, this is adorable. Look at the color, spot on, match. I was like, please come on. And this little heart, guys, already comes with. So that piece is a given. And check it out, baby. Check it out. How they say, check it out. Check it out. I believe in, when I've said this in past videos, when I do my first giveaway at 6,000 subscribers, guys, I am undoubtedly going to, part of the giveaway will be the larger tote, because I think this one is the cutest one. Now, I didn't even know that this bag was a thing. I saw the other one first, so of course I snatched it. But guys, isn't it just giving vibes? It is giving looks in my space. This powder blush, baby, by far, leave in the comments if you agree with me. By far, I think this is one of Juicy Couture's all-time goods. This is the good, okay? Far as color is concerned, guys, these still are very cheap bags. I will say this till the cows come home. These bags are not going to last us forever. Even if, let me be clear with this, even if you take very good care of these bags, because of the material. Like, if these bags, if your space, because you know the seasons change, these bags, I think after a while, baby, they're gonna be peeling, they're gonna be doing all kind of things. So with that being said, even if you don't wear it and you try to store it, baby, if you store it somewhere and do whatever, you're gonna come back and you didn't get no use out of that bag, and it's gonna be messed up anyway. So these Juicy Couture bags are definitely, especially these two that I just showed you, which I think are adorable and they are so cute, but they're not gonna last forever, right? Guys, I got one more. So if you still here, you know your girl being me. I am definitely a chatty patty. I'm sorry, babe. I am sorry. I am a chatty patty. I be trying in these videos, but I did put this little charm piece on here. Isn't it giving everything? Oh my God. Isn't it giving everything that I want to receive? Now, this girl right here, if you've seen my past videos, you will know I am a barrel girl, okay? Something about this is just like, hey. And I am so here for it. I have not seen anybody have this particular bag yet. Do what's in my bag on her, show her nothing. I don't know everybody on YouTube, so it definitely may be someone, but I have not seen it. Like I said, girls, I made the little charm, put the little charm on her, hunty, and she giving all of the things, okay? So, transparent moment, right? I just looked in my stash of stuff, and I was like, baby, that go together like peanut butter and jelly. So guys, she is stuffed. So I'm saying that just so you know, like, I have not worn her yet. I just had her sitting there and I was like, this piece will go on her so cute. So be on the lookout for that. What's in my bag, guys? Leave in the comments, what do you think about these 3 absolutely gorgeous bags in your screen, honey? Now, what? This is just juicy couture stuff, honey. This is just juicy couture stuff, and it is giving, like, if you are really a bag girl, then you undoubtedly will be here for all of this beautiful cuteness. Let me see if I can sit her right here, because this one is giving like that little velour material, like back in the 2000s when, wait a minute, I'm gonna have to move my little, I do not be wanting to accidentally break my display, but now let's just sit her here in the video. Guys, isn't she just giving? She is giving the things. Okay, this is an entire look for absolutely for me. Okay, thumbnail. Come on, the real baby. Now, isn't this just adorable? Isn't that just so stinking cute, right? And if you a girl, if you're a girly and you don't like all the things, I'm sorry, boo, but I like to be original, okay? And these little shade or glass cases that have the little different faces and things like that, I love them. I love them. I think that they are adorable. I have not seen anyone have these yet, but as I show you these, guys, I do believe I will not be the only one putting my shades and my glasses and things inside of these bags. I mean, inside of these little carriers. But when I tell you, these little cases are a vibe, because when I do not have a really big bag, they give my bags that little extra je ne sais quoi to me, and it saves real estate inside of the bag. And for me personally, guys, if you're still here with this video, because you know your girl is a chatty patty, to me, this is just a look altogether that I love. Like, I think it is adorable, but the most important thing for me, it is really functional. Because do you know how easy in the summertime, and guys, we are in the summertime, you know how easy it is to have your shades, and when they come in their original cases, like if you know, if you're one of those girlies and you spend $200, $300, $400 on a pair of shades, and that case, even though it is, you know, a luxury designer or whomever, whatever, those cases, 9 times out of 10, they are very substantial in their size, and they're quite big and wide. So you know how many times people sit those things down and lose their glasses and their shades? So baby, for me, like what's going on now, the sun is doing too much sunning, okay? It is so bright. I need my glasses, I need my shades, I need them all. So for me, it's not just for aesthetics. It actually is serving me a real life purpose. So guys, I am here for it. So if you was here for this little video, you know your girl being a chatty patty, you can leave that in the comments too, like, girl, you talking too much. I'm sorry, I'm just trying to tell you all of the things, because guys, I could have definitely ended this video, but when I tell you these little bags, like right now as I'm seeing them in the screen, as you're seeing them, they are an entire vibe for me. I think they are so pretty. So guys, until the next time, bye for now.